Okay, quitting time. She's all packed up and ready to go here, so we'll just roll her out in the morning, stuff it in the back of the truck, and put his spare parts and his little gift bag there back on. But that's what she looks like. Pretty straightforward stuff. All we really changed was the remote reservoirs, those little Brembo reservoirs, from the way it looks, you know. But good to go. I mean, it's hard to tell with this thing that, you know, the pedal is real short because of what he's got going on here. His legs are so short, and there isn't another set of pedal holders here, that he just tilted the pedal back. There's a lot of things about this go-kart I don't like. That's one of them. But none of this is doing any work down there at all yet. It isn't doing anything until right here. So that's the braking. Even with the pivot point, or the pickup point so far down, so close to the pivot, it still doesn't have much throw to that pedal. So that's it. You know, let me put you here and show you. Just so here we're free. There we're not. So it's really just a matter of that much pedal. It's not going to stop right here. He's going to have to crank on her, you know, at speed. It's a big, heavy car. So, you know, it's going to take a little pressure, but not much because of the ratio he's got going on there. It'll be pretty easy. So there you go. Larry's kart done. We'll get this battle axe out of here tomorrow. Sunday we'll be cleaning a joint up. Chuck stopped by. Hey Chuck, how's it going, buddy? He stopped by and did a little drill pressing and a little belt sanding over at Rich's place. But while he was here, he made a comment. He says, "Robert, this place is a mess. I ain't never seen it this bad." Well, this is what happens, you know, over the winter. You know, we got the box in here. Everything gets, you know, look at the place. It's a wreck. But I'll clean it all up, get tools put back. You know, things that got to go upstairs and get packed away. We don't need the heat anymore. All that stuff can get put away. So, yeah, we'll get the place cleaned up and ready for spring. And it's part of it. So, little nephew's calling. I'll talk to y'all later. Godspeed. God bless. Here you go, Larry. She's ready to go.